Hi, welcome to another tinkercad tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to make these three LEDs glow using block codes. So the first LED is this RGB LED here, the second is this red LED, and the third is this inbuilt LED. So go to code, in code you'll have several options. So first, the default is output. So let's select this, drag and drop it, select. So this says set LED to high. Now go to control, drag and drop the weight option, drag and drop the weight option. So as you can see, it's going to wait for 1 second. So what I've done here is I've taken the first command, set it to wait for 2 seconds, then the same LED I've set it to low. So it's going to blink for 2 seconds, it's going to start blinking for 2 seconds, and it's going to stop. Then I've taken pin number 12. Pin number 12 you can take from output. Here set pin so and so to high or low. As you can see, you can drag and drop and similarly add time to it. So I've already done this. So you can see pin number 12 is set to high for 2 seconds. As you can see, pin number 12 is a red LED. Then you can see after 2 seconds the LED is set to low. Then pin number 9 is set to high. Now pin number 9 is connected to an RGB LED. So the anodes of the RGB LED have already labels of the colors, and accordingly I've color coded the wires. So for red is red wire, for blue wire, and green for green wire. And the cathode, which is the ground, is connected to the ground here. So once we've set 9 to high, we're going to make it wait for 2 seconds and then set it to low. Then we're going to set pin number 7 to high, make it wait, and set it to low, and similarly with pin number 5. So as you can see, it's going to turn on red, blue, and green. So now let's simulate it and see how it works. Start simulation. It's going to take a second. As you can see, it's going to glow for 1 second, 2 seconds. It's going to glow for 2 seconds. Red, blue, and green. And it's going to go back to this inbuilt LED. And the loop is going to keep on going. And that is how you can code Arduino using block code.